Hello students, in this video I will tell you about the linear differential equation, the last exercise of the differential equation chapter for class 12, understanding ISC mathematics by ML Agrawal. There is a chapter differential equations and the last exercise is 9.7. So in this you have to do by using the linear differential equation. What is the meaning of this linear differential equation? The differential equation, when you get in this form, plus p y is equal to q, means the dy by dx, there is no number or variable anything, there is a y, single y, and p and q are the functions of x, are constant, may be constant. Constant भी हो सकता है, function of x भी हो सकता है. But the y should be single place, at a single place. एक ही जगह पे होना चाहिए y. And that you will take in the left hand side with the dy by dx is equal to q. If you are getting the equations, such type of equations, then how to find the solution of this differential equation? First of all, you will compare the equation by this. So you will get the p is equal to and q is equal to. After getting the values of p and q, you find the integrating factor if. Integrating factor से decide होगा कि इसका solution क्या है. So that is, and the formula is e to the power p dx. E to the power integration of p dx. मतलब जो p यहाँ पे निकलेगा, that you will integrate, put here and then integrate. तो जो value आएगी, where then the solution is y dot if, मतलब जो ये निकला है इसको हम रखेंगे मल्टीप्लाई करके, is equal to integration of q dot if dx plus c. मतलब q, this value you will put here, if जो निकला है यहाँ में, and then the integration of the product of these two will be integrated and the answer you will get. This side no integration, this side you will get the same, जो भी है वैसे ही लिखा रहेगा, बस इधर इंटीग्रेशन करना है. जो आंसर आएगा that will be the solution of the given differential equation. So this is the process how to find the solution of the linear differential equation. Now I tell you some questions. You can see the questions, the such type of question directly दिखाई भी देगा कि कहाँ पे x है, कहाँ पे single y. There are so many questions based on single y. For example, third question, x dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square. This is the question. Just I told you that in this type of question you will see the single y की single power दिखेगी, और कहीं कोई भी y square नहीं दिखेगा, sin y नहीं दिखेगा, with log function नहीं दिखेगा, with x may be the different power, different variable, different functions, but the y should be of single power. सबसे पहले इसके साथ कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, तो you must divide by the x, the whole equation divide by the x, so you will get 2x divided by x. Okay. Now compare. हमने बताया compare करना पड़ेगा, otherwise the examiner will think from where it comes, means this p and q. तो compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p is equal to minus, with sign you will take, and q is equal to 2x. Now integrating factor e to the power integration p dx, then it will be e to the power p means 1 minus 1 by x dx. Then what is the integration of this part? Is minus log x, e to the power minus log x. But do you know the formula of the e to the power log x? That is equal to x. ये पहले भी बताए जा चुके हैं. तो इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? e to the power you can write as x to the power minus 1. Then this will be x to the power minus means 1 upon x. The integrating factor will be 1 by x. ये formula, what is the formula? Integrating formula e to the power log fx is equal to fx. This is the formula of the e to the power log fx. Now you will put in the solution. अभी हमने जो solution बताया, what is the solution? Solution is of equation, जो भी differential equation थी, y dot if is equal to integration q dot if dx plus c. तो y by x is equal to q means 2x into 1 by x dx and plus c. Then integrate this, and this is the integration is very easy. To get x cancel, so y upon x is equal to 2x plus c. This is the value, or you can say the equation solution of the given differential equation. So very simple. Only you find the integrating factor on comparison, and then you can do. Some more questions. Question number 8. X dy plus y minus x square x cube dx is equal to 0. अब इसमें हमें दिखाई पड़ रहा है कि y एक सिंगल जगह पे है, यानी यही यूज हो सकता है. यू कैन नॉट यूज द वेरिएबल सेपरेबल आल्सो, मतलब कि जो पहले एक्सरसाइज थी, सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज द होमोजेनियस वन, ये सब कुछ नहीं यूज कर सकते, हो गई है. नाउ हाउ टू राइट इन दैट फॉर्म dy by dx plus py is equal to q. जस्ट यू डिवाइड बाय dx, पहले तो dx से डिवाइड कर दे पूरी इक्वेशन, तो क्या मिलेगा? dy by dx plus y minus x cube. Now can you write minus x cube there? Yes. So x dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Can you divide by x? क्योंकि यहाँ x नहीं होना चाहिए. और अब देखिए बिल्कुल वही क्वेश्चन मिल गया जो अभी था तुम्हारे पास. I think you can solve it in compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So p is equal to 1 upon, बस इसमें माइनस नहीं है, and q is equal to x square. Then the integrating factor will be e to the power p dx. So e to the power 1 by x dx, or e log x means x. And after getting if, you can use this y dot if is equal to q dot if dx plus c, and then y if means x is equal to q means x square, if means x dx plus c. So xy is equal to x cube means x to the power by 4 plus c. This is the answer. So by this way you can find. Now the second next question of this. Now question number 13 is there. dy by dx minus tan x dot y is equal to e to the power sin x। तो इसको करना है, अब इसमें तो डायरेक्टली कंपेयर करेंगे तो p की वैल्यू माइनस टेन एक्स यू कैन राइट बाय योरसेल्फ एंड q इज इक्वल टू e टू द पावर sin x। देन व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस tan x? अब इसको if निकाले अगर तो e टू द पावर p dx, so e to the power minus tan x dx, and what is the log? Log sec x. What is the integration of tan x? Log cos x, log sec x। is the integration of the tan x, क्योंकि log sec x का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो tan x आ जाएगा, तो tan x का इंटीग्रेशन log sec x एंड माइनस साइन इज देयर, तो इसको हम log cos x भी लिख सकते हैं या ये ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं माइनस log cos x। तो e टू द पावर माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस इज log cos x, माइनस माइनस विल बी प्लस, is equal to cos x. This is the cos x. Now the solution is y dot if is equal to q dot if dx plus c. So y dot if means cos x is equal to q e to the power sin x into cos x plus c dx. Then let sin x is equal to t. You can this cos x will be cancelled, e to the power t, so that will be the integration e to the power t of this part, means e to the power sin x. So by this way you can find very easily। Second thing, अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में dx अपॉन सिंगल x है और बाकी y की अदर पावर्स है, y की अदर पावर्स, तो बस केवल तुमको क्या करना है, जैसे ये फॉर्म आ जाए तो dx अपॉन dy by dx था, dx by dy, then it will be px is equal to q, and then the integrating factor for this e to the power p dy, not the dx, क्योंकि अब यहां पे p और q किसके फंक्शंस हैं? y के functions of y, and after writing this one the solution is, जहां पे y का वहां x डॉट if and then q dot if dy plus c, this is the, लेकिन in this case you can see the only the single power of x is there, so by this way you can find the value, and some more questions I will tell you in the next video, but the questions are very easy, and in this there are the some in this case question number 2 and you can see in the question number 2 only the single x is there, the other powers of y with the trigonometric functions are there, and the powers of different powers of y also there, so you will apply this formula in the question number 2, and maximum questions you will apply the dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Thank you.